Hello everyone, it's Marky. How's it going, guys? I'm peg hunting for Hot Wheels. I'm in this gift shop and I find a bunch of Hot Wheels here. Look at this. This is old. New for 2016. Wow, look at that. From 2016. I've never even seen this car before. In this variation. The Cruise Bruiser, which I do have in other colors. In a really nice blue. Cruise Bruiser. I love demolition. Wow, where do I put this? Let me see, right here. And he has, this one looks old too. Look at this. Showdown, Scan and Race. 1/16 of 250. Best for track. Hot Wheels showroom is what it says. The Great Gatspeed. Pretty cool. Something you don't see every day, guys. New cars that I haven't seen. Old cars that I haven't seen. Kind of cool to walk into one of these old stores. And what is this? A clear speeder. Well, that'd be funny if I find a treasure hunt or a super here. X Racers, 3 of 10, best for track. Showdown, Scan and Race. Oh, these are old cars. X Racers, Blitz speeder. Look at this. Wow. Something you don't see every day. New for 2016. Wow, that was years back. It's pretty cool. And what do they have back here? Hot Wheels Off-Road. The Rip Rod. Look at that, the Rip Rod. Look at the combination. Totally different than what we're used to seeing lately, right? Showdown, Scan and Race. So these look to be like all from 2016. Let me put them back how he had them. This is a gift shop here where they sell all kinds of stuff. You can see they have all kinds of toys and backpacks. So they have some more behind this one here. Let's see, they have Hot Wheels art cars. And this one is called the Drifter. White wheel in the back, much taller than the front one. Looks like, I don't know. Looks like it's a little taller. And then the darker wheel in the front. Does have a letter A on the roof there. And look at this. The way it looks in the back. And the front end here. Look at all the tamper work on the hood. 7 of 10 in the Hot Wheels art cars. Track stars. This is also from 2016. And look, they have one of the new Halloween cars right here. I think these are the ones from this year. Is it? Let me see. $2.99 Halloween. Oh, he has more over here. More Halloween cars over here. He's got the Hot Wheels child. Looks kind of cool. From the Mandalorian. He's got this one here. Same one as we saw over there. Same one. There's the grabber. Maverick grabber. Yeah, these are the same ones that we've seen in the past few months. Have been appearing all over the place. The Maverick grabber. Wow, this is a great place to find some of the ones that you may have missed. Here's the King Kuda. Looks awesome. He's got some Burago here. All right, these are all the same. Let's see what he has here. Jurassic Park Matchbox. Look at this. Matchbox car. Mercedes-Benz G550. This one is available now, I think in gold, in one of the premium sets, Matchbox Premium. Forgot what you call that set. Oh, check this out. '2010 Textron Tiger. Wow, $4.99 on this. Blitz. Prices are a little high here. What else does he have? Little vehicles here. Oh wow, look at this. Also, it's a Matchbox. This one's $4.99. And they have these sets over here. Look at all these. Wow, I never got this one. I need this for my collection. Custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. I wonder what they're asking for this. I don't even want to look. I'm gonna look though. Let's see. What do they want for this one? $2.99. $2.99 on the Pontiac Firebird. And he's got the Datsun. I mean the Wagon. He's got the Wagon. Sweet. 71 Datsun 510 Wagon. Yeah, this is a nice one. $2.99 on the Wagon. I think I'm gonna grab the Wagon because I passed it up when I could have bought it and I didn't buy it. Let's see what he has here for 5 packs. Oh no, 3 packs. Hot Wheels 3. Fantasy. Man, what is that? Can't tell what that is. Might be a fantasy car right there. What year is this? Oh, can't see, guys. Don't have my glasses with me. Too hard to see. But yeah, I think I'm gonna grab this one right here. And look at that. They have a bunch of these. Look at this. They have all these. So cool. See what is he getting for these? I'm afraid to look. Let's see. $2.99. Yeah, the prices suck at this store. A little bit high. But he's got all of them if you need them. They're here. He's got the Vet. Luckily, this series I do have, so don't need to buy any of those. He's got the Chevy. It's awesome. And he's got the Ford, which looks beautiful. If you haven't seen the set, here's the set. Pretty awesome. You have the gasser. Looks like he has a bunch of them. There's a bunch of gassers. Yeah, right there. Look at that. Bunch of gassers, some Corvettes, bunch of Volkswagens. Look, one here, bunch up there. Yeah, there's a lot of them. And he's got these over here. And there's a bunch of other toys. Let's see if I see any more Hot Wheels around here. All these cool figures. And here we have some nice cars. Look at this Porsche. This one's really cool. Orange, I love it. I love it. Well, these go for $5 at the other store. They're $7.99 here, so a little bit higher. 2010 Porsche 911 in orange. I have this one in yellow, and I have it in green. This kind of this color green, but in Hot Wheels, not this brand. Oh, check out the Mustangs. He's got a nice Cobra here too. I love it. I love it with the white and the blue racing stripes. Looks amazing. And a red Mustang, which I love too. Oh wow, look at this hot rod. Wow, there's tanks. A couple Lambos over there. Ooh. Wow, look at this. This looks like a Gallardo, is it? No, I can't read that. $7.99 on this one. And here's another one. Look at this one. It's kind of like a charcoal gray, metallic charcoal gray. Pretty cool color. And I like the white one here too. This is like a Ford GT. Looks amazing. Some really cool ones here. Wow, look at this one. This looks nice. Awesome. There's a big collection here of cars. Pullback cars, which are really nice. You like these Jeeps? Those are cool. Oh, look at these. Awesome. Oh, and this one in black with the orange looks so cool. Oh, and they even have the police Lamborghini. I think it's a Lamborghini. Let me see. Yeah, police Lamborghini. Pretty cool with the red and blue lights on top. Oh wow, check out the white one with the red. This looks cool too. GT 3RS. Beautiful car. Is that a Bronco? Oh, that looks like a Bronco, doesn't it? Or is it a Chevy Blazer? It looks like a Bronco to me. Oh wow, look at this. Pretty cool combination of colors on this one. Pretty awesome. And some nice vintage looking cars. Some really nice oldies down here. Wow, they have a nice collection. Look at this truck. Wow, look at the horns on there. Beautiful. Oh, I like the blue Mustang back there. Yeah, these are all super cool. Wow, that was loud. Somebody ate it. Really cool toys in this store. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next video.